Welcome back. Today we're continuing our journey through the Emotional Control series with fear, Part 2. In Part 1, we explored what fear looks like, where it stems from, and how it impacts our thoughts and decisions. It's time to shift from awareness to action. Let's equip ourselves with tools to face fear with more control, clarity, and courage. Wherever you are, get into a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Close your eyes. And let's begin. The first breathing exercise is power breath. This is a short, energizing technique that helps break through fear when it feels like it's gripping your chest. We'll inhale, then take a quick second inhale, and then exhale fully. Let's try it. Inhale through your nose. Now take a quick second inhale through your nose, and exhale completely through your mouth. Again, inhale. Quick inhale. Exhale completely. One more time. Inhale. Quick inhale. Exhale fully. Feel your body loosening. Your nervous system beginning to settle. Try this on your own for a few minutes. Just keep the rhythm. Inhale, quick inhale, and then exhale. Imagine dealing with your fear, using this breathing technique to quickly ground yourself. One minute left. Now let's move on to breathing exercise number 2, box breathing. This technique is designed to ground you when fear is overwhelming or paralyzing. Inhale through your nose for 5 seconds. Hold for 5 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 5 seconds. And hold for 5 more seconds. We'll do this together. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you try it without me counting. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold again. Excellent. Now I want you to do this for 6 rounds on your own. Begin. Keep the rhythm. Just focusing on the breath is key. One minute remains. Let your breath return to a natural rhythm. Notice how you're feeling. The calmness throughout your body. Now we'll get empowered with some affirmations. I will say each one twice. Repeat with me out loud or silently. Let them settle into your awareness. I am not my fear, I am the one observing it. I am not my fear, I am the one observing it. I breathe in calm and breathe out tension. I breathe in calm and breathe out tension. Each breath brings me back to my strength. Each breath brings me back to my strength. Fear may visit, but it does not own me. Fear may visit, but it does not own me. I trust myself to handle whatever comes next. I trust myself to handle whatever comes next. Catching yourself in fear is a victory in itself. The sooner you recognize it, the sooner you can step out of reaction and into choice. Fear will always be a part of life. It's often just your body's way of saying, "Pay attention," or reminding you that you don't have all the answers yet. But with the right tools and awareness, its grip softens. Over time, what once felt overwhelming may barely register at all. Now, take a moment to set your action plan. Which of these breathing techniques will you use when fear shows up? Can you identify a current fear and imagine using one of these techniques in that moment? Breathe in confidence. Breathe out hesitation. Open your eyes when you're ready. You are becoming your own safe place. You're doing the work. And that matters. You've got this.